That's your downspout. Might be clogged a little bit.
That's the crap that was in it. If you want to take a picture of it.
Oh, what? All this?
With the flowers growing in it.
All that?
Yep.
There you go. And you got a crack
Right there.
right here, which was right behind the downspout, as you can see. And we got a little problem with the fitting up here. We're going to also take care of that. Put a system in, wrap this corner, seal the seal plate, dig out the crack,
And yours come off, right?
and take it over there. Dig out the crack, clean the wall, expose the crack, dig it all the way down to the footer. After you dig the crack out and clean the wall, and then you cover it with plastic or with tar all the way down to the footer. Then after you seal the layer of plastic, then you go and you put a piece of shield over top of the crack, over top of the plastic, over top of the tar, and
all over everything.
Then after you put the shield on, then you cover the edges with tar all the way down to the footer. And don't forget to fill in your top. Now tie in. And it runs down the yard there. Subsurface system. Topped off with gravel. Now tie in. And after you run the pipe, your seed and straw.